Hey guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to so just to give you kind of like an overview of cPanel to know how to use the cPanel. So the first thing that is important as in web development, so the cPanel we have file manager where you can see when you can get your uh, you have your files when you install your WordPress website and all the files you need, you can get it from here. As you can see, you have public.html is where you put all your your file. As you can see, this is a WordPress file. This is where you put all your stuff there. So WordPress stuff, and also if you can create some folder, you can put some of the items there if you want to. So that is there for file manager. And then here FTP account is where you create account to use with your, let's say for instance you have Notepad++ or you have VSCode, you can create an account, FTP account, so that you can be able to access your server to push the files here. Okay, and then we have email clients here where you set up your email. So it's gonna be like, for instance, like info@yourdomain.com. So this way you set up your email there. So for the client, so there are a lot of things, but we're gonna focus about those ones that are very important. We have register new domain here where you register a domain, and then you see there you register a domain there, add a domain. So for instance, if you want to, you can register kind of like a subdomain like that. So code there. Yeah, so you're gonna register a new domain there. It's gonna, because of this is a service provider. Click there, it's gonna just add it to a service provider, or you can just give you opportunity to create a new domain. Here, where if you want to transfer a domain, and then we have PHP admin. This one here is your database. Is where you create your database. So as you can see, this is now the database. You want to create your database. If you want to create your database, and all your WordPress database is gonna come here. It's PHP admin. Okay, so there's PHP admin to create it. So here to access the database, but now if you want to create a database, we have MSQL database. Let me see. Yeah, so there where you create your database. Okay, so create a database. There is where you set up your this here where you're gonna set up your kind of like domain, DNS, add DNS, and to add a DNS you go here. Zone editor where you add DNS, and then domains where you add your domain. This one. So yeah, so then here where you can set up your domain there. You create domains. Okay, so there's metrics is where you can check the metrics of your servers, of your websites. So you can check it there. Yeah, if you want to access your server using the command line. Okay, so on, and then after that we have software base here where you can get kind of like a list of all the like application that you want to use. Softaculous Apps Installer. You can see there you have a list of all the stuff that you want to install. So they give you all the category. You can install WordPress here, Joomla, and so on. And then here we have okay, so Lightspeed Web Cache Manager. You can see that there. Terminal, the terminal is there. Cron job. So if you want, you have some script that you want to use to start to run for a certain period of time. So you can use cron jobs there. You can track your DNS, and then here Apache handlers. You can add some of the file extensions. Yeah. So as you can see, the meta process. If you want to add Python, you can also try to add Python there. Okay. So WordPress, most of the other applications. So take a look at the list of applications, and also here just list of applications. So this is kind of like an overview when it comes to if you want to add a user there, but this is kind of like an overview if you want to, as a developer, to know your some of the utility of your server. There where you can do your 301 redirect. Okay, great. Thank you so much.